Here I've got VERNEE Thor Plus, and let me show you how to change the wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, scroll down and select display, and now simply go to the wallpaper, which is under adaptive brightness. It's time to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from, so it can be one from the live wallpapers, photos, or one from the VERNEE wallpapers. So let me pick this one. Now you can select the one that you like most, maybe this one. Then you can select lock screen and pick some different wallpaper, maybe this one, and now simply go back. As you can see, your device is applying this new wallpaper, and from now on your brand new wallpaper is covering your home screen and also the lock screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.